I look like a mess. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's prom day. I've been waiting for this since High School Musical 3 came out. But nah. It's prom day. Oh, look at my nails. I'm matching with my braces. Yeah. But some guys staring at me. I'm heading to my mom's salon to do my hair, so yeah. I just want to take this before video because I look so crappy right now and my hair looks like poop. So tomorrow will be great. It's not a pretty sight. Okay, so I look crazy, but right now my mom is laying my hair. Did you? She's so cute. Alright, so just to update y'all, I got my hair done. I look crazy. I look so bad, so hopefully I don't see anybody I know. So, because your girl look not so great right now. But yeah, I decided to do a prom vlog because I heard these got a lot of views. So hopefully the views just rack in, you know. So yeah, let me stop before I get hit by a car. I'm gonna go do my makeup now. Right now I look really bad, but watch the pop out later. And I'm gonna skip through it because I want to listen to music and talk. So, you know. Alright, so I'm gonna go do this picture and see how it's gonna turn out. My eyebrows are good though. I've been going and going like the Energizer. Yeah, I'm supplying the wood like Elijah. Indica smoking, not indica, my fuck around and go right in Elijah. They say, life is a bitch and it does. The kids and I feel surprised. You know I'm not an advisor, but I do advise you. Damn, you know it's real. No, I cannot fuck with that. Who you know dropped them out back to back to back to back to back to back to back. I'm like, get it.
Hacer dieta, pero que en el closet
So, what should I do with my hair? I love it. Should I fluff it? It's getting later, already should be there. Her mother opens the door. I'm shaking inside of this part when Gabriella comes down and it's time to be out surprise. Don't know why her father's staring me down. With my purse, lip gloss, now I'm something changes my world. The most beautiful girl.
Really good at her dress though.
She was so pretty. Yeah, I know.
Back then it was like super in.
On the night of nights, the night of nights, tonight.
Let's dance!
On the night of nights,
You know you're gonna do it.
it's gonna be the night.
You like this?
Yeah. And it's making me lose control. Everybody gather around.
Well, if George can tell his secret, then I can tell mine. I think. What?
He's so musical.
I know, right?
Stones even have pen down.
Not another step.
Now that I'm old enough and I hear it, I'm like, wow, they're like, yeah, I'm ready to listen to you. They're like, no.
Stick to the stuff you know. If you wanna be cool, follow one simple rule. Don't mess with the flow, no. Stick to the We can do it. Play. Stick with what you know. We can do it. Pop parade. She has gotta go. We can do it. Grab the leg. Keep your voice down low. Not another peep, no, not another word, no, not another sound. Everybody quiet!
I love that.
Why is everybody staring at you?
Not you, not me.
You.
Okay. Okay, so this is the final one. Sis bananas, bro. Wow, book me. Book me for prom. But
I need to get my phone.
but yeah, oh my god.
So good.
Thanks. But yeah, next step is to put her on. She's so cute. So, oh, my hair is laid by my mom. Got inches. I feel like a mermaid. Like I feel like Rapunzel. Rapunzel, let down your hair. But oh my god, look at it. Yes, honey.
I really can't. Oh my fucking god.
Attempting to end the vlog right here. Alright, so it's the end of the night and I look crazy, but the eyeshadow is still popping. Like, wow. But yeah, that was it. Prom night was pretty fun. I can't go to the after party because I don't have a ride, but still have fun. Yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Run around the country like a boss do. Turn around the world like a diplomat. I could probably catch you with your knees down. Have you looking at me like